Hey yo, what's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Got one of my favorite shirts on today. Happy Friday from Lagos, Nigeria. We're gonna go over our friend BTC. Currently sitting at 27K, up 0.75 on the day. We're gonna look at the DXY as well. Market cap 526 billion. 24-hour volume 15 billion. Let's hop into the charts. 4-hour time frame. So bearish scenario, we're coming down that wave 2, ABC into a W, push up in an X, come down in a wave Y. Within the wave Y would be 5 waves. So potentially you came down in wave 1, wave 2, that's your wave 3, wave 4, where it looks like we're starting to come down a little bit here. If we were to break above 27.3, it would invalidate this wave count, and then there is potential for that leading diagonal. But the DXY is showing a little bit of a different story in my opinion, and could lead to lower prices. So you would push up in a 4, come down in a wave 5, basically break that low, potentially come down to 25.2K and complete this pullback. See continuation to the upside. But if we break 27.318, then there is the chance of putting in that leading diagonal that we've been covering on the channel. Daily chart getting rejected by the EMAs. We were not able to hold them. We fell underneath them. So if we close the day underneath again, that's a bearish signal, and that's when you could see continuation down. If you look at the weekly chart, if we do come a little bit lower, you can see the 20 EMAs coming in about 25.8K. Could definitely act as support. I do think these weekly EMAs will hold, and we'll see continuation to the upside. Now looking at the DXY, I've added a higher degree wave count from the bottom here. So this is what I think is likely, that we pushed up in a 1, 2, and then we had a beautiful 5-wave move up in a wave 3. If you take your fib retracement, your fib extension from the bottom of 1 to the top of 1 to the bottom of 2, you can see we almost pushed up to the 2.618, so an extended wave 3. Pulling back in a wave 4, we've already met the minimum target. Usual retracement is in between the 38.2 and the 50%, and potentially push up to the target that we've had since we were down here consolidating at 105 in a wave 5. And that's when you'll see BTC come down for that lower low, and the DXY will see a large rejection at 105, and you'll see BTC start to take off, in my opinion. That's what I'm looking at now. We failed to hold that impulse to the upside, so I do think it's likely we'll come down and break this low here at about 25.9K and see continuation to the upside. We may not even make it all the way down to 25.2, but just looking at the DXY, I do think it's likely we see one more wave up to 105, and that's when you'll see the price of Bitcoin start to pull back and basically come down to the support of this wedge. Let me put it back on the daily chart before seeing continuation to the upside. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at. Currently, we're in 3 trades, which you can have completely free access to my signals and analysis if you make your first deposit on either Bitget or Bybit. Check out my full-length tutorials. Takes 2 minutes. You can deposit $10, $50, $50 million, whatever you want to deposit, and then just email me or sign up email 30-day free trial to my Discord, which includes over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and you get that 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. Otherwise, it's only $10 a month. If you want direct access, just sign up through the Patreon link, same price as a Subway with a drink, and you'll get more value out of the Discord, in my opinion. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you'd like to, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.